What the?
Yeah, that's what we're replacing today.
What do you think?
Hey guys, I'm going to be taking the bed off this 05 Chevy 2500 HD today. Mainly it's going to be 8 bolts and some wiring. Should come off pretty easily, assuming the rust isn't too bad.
What's the ultimate goal we're doing?
Taking this off, we've got a rusted front shock and rear tank member. So that piece right in here is completely rusted through. Actually has dropped off the inside of the truck. So need to get that replaced, weld a new one up. You can order the pieces online, right through Amazon. Pretty easy to get.
Keep listening.
Lubing the back side of this. And we'll do the bolt head too. Get in there. Let's give it a nice healthy dose. Same thing with this one right up here.
Yep.
Bolt number 1. Got their wiring harness disconnected, all 8 bolts out of the bed, and the gas cap assembly pulled out. So now it's time to lift the bed up. I'm just gonna use some straps. There we go. Disconnected from the bed. All right.
Like 2 more bolts.
Good.
Yep. Now you can pop in it and try to pull forward as long as there's nothing under the wheels.
Perfect.
Bingo.
Seen that? In the fridge. This one? Ooh, this guy's got some tie-dye. What the?
Yeah, that's what we're replacing today.
What do you think?
That thing's seen some mag chloride.
We call this salt.
East Coast.
East Coast, definitely mag chloride.
Salt.
Shout out to my sponsor, Salty. That good Midwestern hams.
The
I got Rocky Mountain water.
I
the
got
old
from the
tire
land of
turn
sky
down
blue
shaft
water.
looks pretty good though.
Dude, this is so hard, Ryan.
Dude, that piece is done.
What?
Whatever that is.
Oh no. That's solid cast steel. That'll be fine. Knock some of that rust off, give it a little paint job. Oh, that's just a shield to make sure the drive shaft doesn't go through the fuel tank. You don't need that.
This thing is disintegrating.
Exhaust looks great.
Well,
Drive shaft looks phenomenal.
Exhaust does look quite
Look at how
nice.
this is just not attached on me. I'm driving it and not attached.
oh, it's not attached on that other side too.
Not attached anymore.
How crazy is that, Brian? Your leaf springs are just what's been holding the back together. That's blown, son.
It's blown.
She's blown. Oil. Wetness.
This is, I say, this chassis is pretty beat. Right.
Nah, it'll be fine. This is American steel.
And American salt.
No cracking up where they always crack, right in that range, right between the bed and the chassis. Nothing on this side. It just needs a little work.
Dude, I'm scared for your life.
That is a crazy contraption, guys. You said looks a little better.
Is this
That's a replaceable part though, very easily.
or is this
Yeah, this
from
no.
the shop? And sprayed back?
So I'm gonna say it's a little bit of both.
Little bit of diff right here, probably.
So
Blowing out. Oh, for sure, blowing on that side.
Yeah,
That
it's
oh,
taking a
blowing that whole side.
I think that's all possibly coming from this, which I have a new one of.
Sweet.
But I don't know what socket that fucking bitch takes, so we're gonna need a big one. Unless it takes a 35, 36.
36.
That'd be perfect.
That's definitely leaking all along that way. And the question is this steel? No, it wasn't American. But
Damn it. Hard.
So today's mission is dropping the fuel tank out of the truck to get to this cross member right here that we will be cutting and welding back together. We'll also be adding airbag suspension right under there. And as we were moving the truck, this brake line right here blew. So we'll also be redoing a brake line today. So got ourselves a project. Let's do it.
There's the bed. too much rust. I think I just go straight. Tell me when.
He's coming. He's coming. Hey, good.
Here, maybe I'll come to the back and hold it back while you drop it down.
Yeah.
gas can, forgot about that.